Me, manners. Don't forget.
Happy birthday, Mimi, shouted all her friends. Mimi's living room was filled with colorful balloons, sparkly presents, and toys everywhere. Building blocks, cuddly bears, and little cars made a big happy mess. Mimi giggled playing with her new dollhouse. Soon, it was time for Mimi's friends to go home. Bye-bye, they waved. Mommy smiled. Now, Mimi, it's time to put all our toys away. Mimi looked at the big colorful mess. Oh no, too many toys, she thought, feeling a little sad and wishing she could just keep playing. Mommy knelt down. It's a big job, but we can do it together. Being a good helper means putting our toys back in their happy homes. It makes our room neat for next time. She picked up a red block. Let's make it a game. Who can put away the most blue toys? Mimi's eyes lit up. Blue toys. She found a blue car and put it in the toy bin. Then a blue crayon. Even her friend Leo picked up a yellow duck. Look, Mimi, I'm helping too. Mimi started giggling, finding more toys to put away. It was fun to help. In just a little while, the living room looked neat and tidy again. All the toys were back in their places. Mimi clapped her hands. We did it, Mommy! She felt so proud. Her room looked beautiful, ready for more fun another day.